Welcome to our roundup of the best soldering irons available today. Whether you're a professional electronics technician, a DIY enthusiast, or a hobbyist working on precision projects, a reliable soldering iron is essential for clean and consistent results. In this video, we've handpicked top-rated soldering irons that combine precision, temperature control, and durability. We'll go over their performance, smart features, and overall usability to help you find the perfect one for your workspace. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and pricing. Let's dive in and find the ideal soldering iron for you. The first on the list is the ADeepin USB soldering iron. This portable soldering tool is designed for quick, convenient, and efficient soldering jobs. Powered directly via USB, it's perfect for on-the-go use or light electronic repairs. The heating element warms up in just 15 seconds, letting you get to work fast without waiting. It can reach a maximum temperature of 480 degrees Celsius, providing excellent versatility for different soldering materials. Fast heating, portable design, and energy efficiency make it a great tool for hobbyists and field technicians. Despite its compact size, it maintains steady heat, allowing precise solder joints with minimal oxidation. The transparent handle design offers a modern touch and helps you see the indicator light during operation. Safety is another plus. The power automatically cuts off when it's not in use for more than 25 seconds, preventing overheating and saving energy. Overall, the ADeepin USB soldering iron delivers great value for money, offering quick heating, safety, and portability in a lightweight build. Next up is the AlienTech T80 Smart Soldering Iron. This premium soldering iron blends precision engineering with smart technology. Equipped with a powerful 80-watt ceramic heating core, it delivers rapid heat-up within 5 seconds, allowing immediate use for demanding projects. Smart temperature control, ergonomic design, and real-time digital display make this model stand out. The intelligent control chip ensures stable temperature output, minimizing fluctuations even during extended sessions. Its clear OLED screen shows real-time temperature and operating status, while the handle's lightweight, heat-resistant design makes long sessions comfortable. The quick-swap tip mechanism allows users to change tips instantly, making it ideal for various applications like circuit board soldering or delicate microcomponent work. Overall, the AlienTech T80 offers professional-level performance and intelligent control in a sleek, portable design. Perfect for engineers and tech enthusiasts who need precision and efficiency. Next, we have the FNIRSI HS02 soldering iron. The HS02 is all about power and control, featuring an advanced 65-watt internal heating system that quickly reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Celsius. What sets it apart are its touch-sensitive control buttons, dual temperature modes, and OLED display for precise adjustments. The smart temperature control ensures consistent heat delivery for delicate soldering tasks, while the lightweight, pen-style body improves balance and comfort during extended use. Its Type-C power input supports multiple power sources, including power banks and adapters, making it highly portable. You can store multiple temperature presets for quick switching between tasks, which saves valuable time. Overall, the FNIRSI HS02 combines advanced technology, portability, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists who demand flexibility and precision. Next on the list is the AlienTech T90 Smart Soldering Iron. The T90 takes soldering performance to the next level with its upgraded 90-watt heating element that provides incredibly fast heat-up times. Within just 3 seconds, it's ready for use, reaching temperatures up to 500 degrees Celsius. High power output, intelligent chip control, and anti-static design make it ideal for advanced users and heavy workloads. Its smart algorithm keeps the temperature stable even under continuous operation, while the clear digital display gives you real-time temperature feedback. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during long projects, and the replaceable tips make it adaptable for various soldering needs. Safety features such as automatic standby, sleep mode, and over-temperature alerts enhance its reliability. Overall, the AlienTech T90 Smart Soldering Iron is a top-tier option for professionals seeking precision, speed, and dependable thermal stability. The last one on our list is the YHUA 938D Portable Soldering Iron. Known for its versatility, this dual-channel soldering station allows users to operate 2 irons simultaneously, making it perfect for complex projects or workshop environments. Its dual control system, adjustable temperature settings, and fast thermal recovery give it a major performance edge. Each channel's temperature can be independently adjusted and monitored through the dual digital display, offering unmatched control and flexibility. With a power output of 70 watts per iron, it heats up fast and maintains temperature accuracy within a few degrees. The compact design saves workspace, while the anti-static and ESD-safe features protect delicate electronic components. Overall, the YHUA938D is a professional-grade soldering solution that delivers precision, reliability, and dual versatility for serious electronics work. So, that wraps up our list of the best soldering irons available right now. Each model brings a unique blend of technology, comfort, and performance to match different needs, from portable USB options to professional smart stations. If you found this roundup helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy soldering!